Well, I think we're getting kicked out of this pond. There we go. I'm not gonna let it fall. Alright. Over here. Alright guys, I'm gonna explain a little bit about what's going on right here, right now. We are doing a bass fishing challenge, a 2-on-2 or 2 versus 3. I don't know. Me and Easton versus my brother and his friend or two. So we've got a speed bass fishing challenge. We gave my brother a head start. He's fishing from shore and we're fishing from kayaks, as you can see. So we're gonna get all of our stuff. This is actually the afternoon of the video you saw last, which is where we came out here on kayaks this morning. So yeah, we are just getting all of our junk in here and gonna get launched in the water because they have a head start on us. Because they got a head start. They're fishing right now. We have as much time as we can get all our stuff already unloaded from the kayaks, unloaded the all our stuff in here, and how fast we can launch the boat. Yeah, that's the rules. Now we need to get out there and get to fish. Let's cast some fish. Starting off with the old craw. Ah, there's one. Oh, my drink. Well, that sucks. Right. No, nothing yet. Oh, you got a nice one, huh?
You want him?
Nice.
Asked them if they wanted to eat them. They said no.
Is it still live?
Yeah, still kicking.
I'd throw it back. Yeah. Yeah, they're bedding up right now, so.
Exactly.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, we got him over on the other side over here. We just trolled around the
Yeah, it's trying.
Is he swimming, Chad, or is he dead?
Yeah, he might be dinner. Where's the gate? He's still kicking, but they couldn't get him belly up or belly down. I know.
See where Robbie and them went?
No. Maybe out here when it's where it's a little colder, she might want to kick. Oh yeah, come on, kick baby, kick. I will. Hopefully she makes it. We'll get all our stuff ready to hop in.
But that's scary.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. And we are fishing. Any fish yet? Totally. All right. My brother and his friends have not caught any fish yet. So it looks like it is a tied game right now, 0-0. They did not use their lead effectively enough to where they could catch a fish. Let's see if I can catch Fred that was hanging out over here earlier in the day. You got one? I'm on my way. Dude, nice. Here. Nice. Oh my God. Look at his face. Look at the side of his face.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, dude.
I'm anchored up.
Okay.
Oh, he might be 3, dude.
He might. We're releasing them, yeah. We're just trying to get some pictures. There goes that gnarly bass. Jeez, dude. It's good.
Wildlife. We know it's a part of
Yeah, we'll dock up there. Yeah, we're gonna go put the boats up here. Well, I think we're getting kicked out of this pond. Yeah, if there is one, then we'll get him out.
If there's one, I completely understand.
Yeah.
Call Robbie Warner.
Did you tell him I got one?
No, not yet. Hey, what's up?
Where you at?
We're on this end of the
Which end is this?
Robbie, come to where we walked in real quick.
All right, why?
Some guys caught a fish and they had it out of the going belly up. No, those are just 2 fish here. See the 2 fish get there?
What is it?
Okay. We're trying to release a fish that someone else caught and it swam off, but we're not sure if it's belly up. If it's belly up, we want to try and grab her.
Okay. We had some lady tell us we can't fish on the kayaks, so we're gonna just anchor them up right here, and I'll walk down there.
Was it a landowner?
Yeah, she lives on one of the houses. Yeah.
My anchor. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab my anchor. Yeah.
It's good. Easton caught one too. What? It's 1-to-1. If you only caught one? Oh, it was a 2.7. So, one pointer. So wait, what happened with it?
I was over on the other side of the lake. You know those guys in that blue kayak? Did you see them?
No.
There's 2 guys in the blue kayak. They caught one over here, took it back to their place over here, took it inside to find a
Scale.
A pair of pliers to get the hook out.
Mm.
It was outside for a while, and so they tried to put it back in, but they were just kind of holding it. So he's like, well, you can eat them if you want. So I'm like, yeah, sure. So I ran him over here and tried to let her go. And I let her go a couple times, and she went belly up a couple times, and the last time she gave a couple kicks, and then she just hugged the bottom and went into deep water. So
Did she stay, belly up or down?
she stayed belly down that time
She should be fine.
and went to deep water. Deep water's better anyways to revive them.
Yes, yeah.
So yeah, she headed straight for deep water on the floor. So, and from walking out there, I can't see her belly up anywhere. So.
Yeah, if it didn't, it doesn't always have to be a big splash. That it's just because it was tired, and if it swam off, like that trout that you caught that we ended up keeping, like that, just not getting any energy at all or without going belly up. So I think it's fine.
So a lady told you.
Okay, so he hooked a fish, and in this mess of trying to get the scale, get pictures where she's like, this is a catch and release pond, you have to release them. We're like, yeah, we are. And so she just kept watching us release the fish, and then we started paddling, and we're gonna go fishing again. She's like, another thing is this is a no boats lake. It's a private pond owned by the HOA, and there's a sign over there that says no boats. You can fish from the bank, but no boats.
Always people on boats.
Yeah, I mean, she probably saw. Was it down there by that bubbler?
Yeah.
Yeah, she probably saw him keep the fish, which wasn't the intention, and then she thought we were gonna keep it, which we didn't, and then she's probably just trying to get us kicked out.
Yeah, this turned into a more of a fishing fiasco, but
Yeah, I mean, we're just gonna fish from bank.
caught one, and I spent a half hour reviving one. So is that a point? Is that a half point?
We'll give you a point for fish management.
Fish management, because it would have died in there.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So 2-1, you guys.
Sweet.
We're losing.
What?
We're losing.
It's caught fish.
I gave him a point for fish management.
We should get a point for getting kicked off.
All right. So this challenge is a little a little crazy so far. First off, my brother had to help save someone who caught a bass, help revive it, and you think he got it off, revived well and safe. And then we had the lady kick us off, and now she's just standing there watching us. So who knows what this challenge is going to turn into. Oh, yes, got one, got him, on the whopper plopper. Dude, yes.